Assalamu alaikum grade 2. How are you? Hope so you all will be fine. Allah bless you all. Welcome to English online class. It's my third lecture with you and we are doing week 7. Today our topic is we are going to read poem Who Has Seen the Wind on book page number 47. First of all, you all take out your book page number 47 and mention date and day. Today is 1st July 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Well students, before going towards the reading, I want to tell you some difficult words that are mentioned in this poem. I will read them and I will tell you meanings. The first word is seen. Seen means dekha. Okay, it is the third form of see. Okay. Second one is neither. Neither gives the meaning of not. थर्ड वन ट्रैम्बलिंग. ट्रैम्बलिंग मीन शेकिंग. ठीक है. कांपना, थरथराना. पासिंग थ्रू, गुजरना. ठीक है, यानी किसी चीज़ में से गुजरना. ट्रीज, दरख्त. बाव. बाव मीन झुकना. ओके. हेड्स, सर. क्रिस्टीना रोजेट, शी इज़ द पोएटेस ऑफ दिस पोएम. Well students, let's start reading. The poem is Who has seen the wind? किसने हवा को देखा है? Okay, tell me students, can we see the wind? No, we can't see the wind. Then a question arises that if you can't see the wind, how do you know it is there? जब हम हवा को देख ही नहीं सकते तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि हवा है? Yes, because we can feel the wind. Okay, we can't touch it, we can't see it, but we can feel it. Okay, let's read this poem and I'll explain you as well. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Okay, this poem, Who Has Seen the Wind, is written by Christina Rosette. Okay, in this poem, she tells us that no one can see the wind. Okay, but we can feel it. How do we feel it? The wind is blowing as when the leaves hang trembling. Okay, when the leaves of trees tremble, shake. ओके, जब वो कांपते हैं, थरथराते हैं, सो वी कम टू नो दैट द विंड इज़ पासिंग, कि उनमें से हवा गुजर रही है. एंड वन थिंग मोर, व्हेन ट्रीज बाउ डाउन देयर हेड्स. ओके, व्हेन द विंड इज़ फास्ट, सो ट्रीज ट्राई टू बाउ डाउन देयर हेड्स, अपने झुकते हैं ज़मीन की तरफ तेज़ हवा की वजह से. सो वी कम टू नो दैट द विंड इज़ पासिंग बाय. ओके, रीड इट अगेन. Okay students, after reading the poem Who Has Seen the Wind, let's come to the workbook exercise. Open up your workbook page number 12 and 13 and mention date and day at the top of the page. Okay, here's the question 1. What words does the poetess use to prove that the wind is blowing? Use the picture clues to remember it. Okay, you have to read this from your reader. You can see that the tree is bowing, the tree bow down its head. So the poetess used the word the trees bow down their heads. Okay, the trees bow down their heads. In the next picture, the leaves tremble. Okay, the leaves hang trembling are the words used by the poetess. Move towards next question. What do you see when the wind blow? Okay, I see the clouds moving, I see the leaves falling, I see the grass moving, I see the birds flying. Okay, in the next question, what can wind do? Fill in the blanks from your experience. Okay, what can a wind do? Wind can blow a paper and you can write some other word. Wind can fly a kite. Wind can shake a leaf. Wind can make a wrapper go faster. I can hear the wind when it blows fast. I can feel a wind when the wind is passing by. Okay, come to words workbook page number 13. Here we have to complete the summary of the poem Who Has Seen the Wind. Okay, the word bank is given at the bottom of the page, and the help box words are felt, feeling, bowing, bowing down, wind, Christina Rosette, trembling. Okay, let's read the sentences and try to fill in the blanks. Okay, this poem has Who Has Seen the Wind is written by dash. You have to write the poetess, name of the poetess, that is Christina Rosette. In this poem, the poetess speaks of her dash about the power of wind. She is speaking about her feeling about the power of wind. She says that neither she nor anyone else has ever seen the wind. But we do see the leaves trembling, which tell us that the wind is passing by. Again, when we see the trees bowing down their heads, we know that the wind is blowing. Wind can't be seen, but its effect can be seen and felt. Okay, understand? It means that no one can see the wind, but its effects can be seen by everyone. Okay, you have to complete these workbook pages. Thank you.